In real estate, we have something very amazing called a lease option. And one reason that I prefer the lease option over the lease purchase is the lease option gives me the right to change my mind. A lease purchase says that I am purchasing that property. A lease option says that when it gets down to about 30 days before my option is due, then I have to tell you if I'm going to enact my option or if I'm going to back out. Now, I'll tell y'all, in my deals, I've done 72 deals. The last time I counted, I had 72. I'm probably up over 100 now. But the last time I counted, I had 72 deals done, and I have yet to change my mind and back out of a deal. All right? If I said I was going to close and it came time to close, then I closed. But that's not saying that at some point I won't want to change my mind. And I think most of the people that I hang out with, most of the people in First Deal Done Fast, most of the ladies in FDDF Plus, we all like to be able to change our mind. Don't tell me I have to do something. Don't tell me that the market's going to change and I still have to do something. Don't tell me that I can't renegotiate or extend or come to a different agreement with this seller, okay? A lease purchase says that no matter what happens, I am going to do this. A lease option says that I could change my mind. We could extend, we could renegotiate, we could keep going, we could do lots of different things in a lease option. And that is why I prefer a lease option for me. And because I got a track record that says that I've never backed out of it. So, I mean, there's a likelihood that I might not ever, but I like to be able to if I did want to. So that's the biggest difference in a lease option and a lease purchase agreement. A lease option agreement and a lease purchase agreement. Now, I've got a friend in my mastermind, and he's another real estate guru, and he says that he prefers the lease purchase, and he argues the other side, that it's better for the sellers to get a lease purchase because I'm guaranteeing I'm going to buy the property. And I'm going, okay, yeah, but they pretty much have a 99% likelihood that I'm going to purchase it even if I keep my option. So he and I go back and forth on lease option, lease purchase, lease option, lease purchase. And I'll tell you, just like I told him, like, that's fine. If he wants to run his properties through lease purchases, if he wants to give his tenant buyers lease purchases, all of that is totally fine. All of that is totally cool. You can run your business however you want to run your business. I'm just going to tell you my preferences. I'm just going to tell you from my experience, and I'm going to tell you from my attorney's perspective. We go the lease option route on our deals. And it's worked out for us since 2014. So right at 6 years now that we've been doing lease options instead of lease purchases. So I am super comfortable saying I'm going to do lease options. And I love it. And there are so many sellers out there that are looking for you to do a lease option or a lease purchase on their property. And you got to be able to find them. You got to be able to say, yes, I am happy to do this lease option with you. Yes, I am happy to do this lease purchase with you. And that's what I'm going to help you do in FDDF Plus. All right, FDDF Plus is group coaching. I can see a couple of y'all on here that were in FDDF Plus, and you know that in FDDF Plus we have group coaching calls every Tuesday morning. We do one-on-one calls every Tuesday afternoon, and I've been teaching women how to do these deals since 2016. So for 4 years, I've been helping women find sellers that are going to be the right candidates for lease options. They're going to be ready to sign a contract on a lease option. I had a lady today emailing me in FDDF Plus saying she's got 6 houses right now and she wants to make a big package deal on all 6 of them for a lease option. Yes! Let's do it. All right? Don't let anybody tell you that sellers aren't going to do lease options. Don't let any real estate agents, or don't let your broker tell you that lease options don't happen, because they do. And sometimes the best solution for somebody is to list the house. But there's a lot of people out there that the best option for them is to do a lease option. And you can do lease options from out of state. We've got a gentleman here right now. Hey, Io. He is in Pennsylvania, and he is doing a lease option right now in Tennessee. So it doesn't matter where you are or where you're wanting to invest. You can do these lease options. You can find these sellers that will almost say, hey, I was wondering if you just take over these payments for me. Could you do that? And you could say, yeah, it's a lease option. Here, sign this paper and let's go. Y'all can do these deals. I'm here to help you in FDDF Plus. And I want you to know that we have 5 seats available in FDDF Plus right now. I found out this morning that we are down to the final 5 seats in FDDF Plus. And I want you to grab one of those seats in FDDF Plus, because there are people that need you. But sometimes while you're helping other people, you get a little overwhelmed. You get a little confused. You need somebody to bounce some ideas off of. Also, while you're out here doing these deals, some of your people don't understand why you're in real estate investing. They don't understand lease options and how you're doing these deals, and they want you to do things the old, slow, boring way. No, we're not doing that. Lease options are for people that want to have some fun, do some creative deals, not use their money, not use their credit, not use their life savings. This is for people that want to help people and make a ton of money and not have their life savings at risk. That's who lease options are perfect for. Whether you got money or you don't, whether you got credit or you don't, lease options are perfect for anybody getting started, or anybody that's gone to the bank for all their financing and the bank finally said, girl, you can't have any more money. Okay, great. I'll tell you, one of the best things that ever happened to me when I was a new real estate investor is that I went broke trying to get rich in real estate. I spent my entire life savings. Nobody would loan me any money because I didn't have 20% to put down on anything, and I couldn't go to any more auctions and just buy properties because I didn't have any more cash. I had to get creative. And I'm telling y'all, when you get with your back against the wall and you don't have any other options, but you know you need to be doing more deals, and you know you need to be helping more sellers, and you know there has to be another way for you to get into real estate investing, that's when creative financing really starts to make sense in your head. And maybe you're there now. And that's why you need to join FDDF Plus, so that I can be there, so that the rest of the FDDF flock can be there every week to help you push through some of those mindset issues, to help you push through some of those financial issues. Maybe you've got some bad habits where you're used to fixing and flipping properties. Let me help you. Join us in FDDF Plus. There's only 5 seats left. And by this time next Tuesday, I think is the last day of the month. And that will be the last day to join FDDF Plus at its current price, at its current structure, at its current goodies. You want to get in before next Tuesday. So y'all go to FDDFplus.com and book a call with me and claim one of those last 5 seats, because I'm going to tell you, I got calls with people all day tomorrow in FDDF Plus. They're going to be telling their friends. Other people in First Little and Fast are going to be bumping up. These 5 seats will go fast. And I want you to claim one. Go to FDDFplus.com so I can help you help more sellers. And so I can help you get bigger non-refundable option fees, so that I can help you get your deals done fast. I'm here for you, but you got to join. Go to FDDFplus.com and I will help you get these lease options under contract. All right, y'all let me know if you have any other questions, and I will help you as much as I can, but I'm here for you in FDDF Plus. And I've got calls all day long tomorrow with the ladies in FDDF Plus, and I can't wait to give you some updates on the progress that they're making. Y'all go to FDDFplus.com and let's get started.